Next up in my quest to make our little plant table spider mite and fungus free is this little, once large, tamarind plant. As you can see, it's been cut up here and has grown quite nicely from underneath again. This plant was quite heavily diminished by spider mites before I could catch it, and the only thing I thought I could do was to cut it back severely to give it a new chance at some healthy growth. Also, I've showed this plant in the last video. As you can see, we have some sort of fungus in this earth. I don't know if there's a batch of earth that has the spores in it, or they are coming in from somewhere else. I'm using this is the earth from IKEA that comes in the little packages and you add water to it to make it go poof and big. So yeah, I don't think that's very good because I don't know what it's going to do in according with the plant. It might help the plant, but chances are it's going to take stuff away from the plant, so I want that out of here. And we're going to put it into the same Repotting substrate that I've put all these plants in. Here you can see the mycelium in the... Come on, focus. Please. Here you go. Here you can see the mycelium inside of the substrate. Smells like fungus. I'm going to take this over to the sink to wash off all the rest of the old soil. I have washed all the old soil out of the roots, well, at least most of it, and I have washed the pot with dish detergent. I've pre-filled some clay pebbles so that the finer substrate is not going to go through the holes, and now I'm going to plant it. Okay, so I've rinsed out all the dust from the substrate, and I've managed to find in the big bucket of Repotting substrate that I bought, there is actually some sort of filler cup thingy in there, somewhere buried. Well, I guess I won't be using this anymore. But anyway, I've planted it in a way that exposes this part of the main root because I think it looks really nice. So yeah, hopefully safe from fungus and whatever else. Next video, next plant.